Space has always been about exploration, pushing limits, doing what once seemed impossible. But our presence in orbit grows, so does our responsibility. Every satellite we launch, every fragment we leave behind, influences how future generations will be able to use and explore space. At ClearSpace, we're pioneering a new way of operating in orbit. Think of us as roadside assistants for satellite, though instead of jump-starting cars, we capture debris, extend lifespan, upgrade systems, and keep assets performing at their best. For space agency, that means safer, cleaner orbits. For operator, it means more flexibility, lower costs, and satellites that deliver value longer. And for humanity, it means keeping the greatest frontier open for discovery, science, and progress.
We can drive lasting changes by shifting the mindset from launch, operate, and abandon to launch, operate, service, reuse, and recycle. ClearSpace builds technologies that make in-orbit servicing and debris removal not just possible, but also commercially viable. By proving that sustainability and profitability can coexist, we set new standards for how space operations are conducted worldwide.
Driving ClearSpace engineering is about turning ambition into reality. In orbit, everything we design must be resilient, adaptable, and ready to perform. We focus on building, testing, flying, and learning.
To create a sustainable space economy, satellites must be built for being serviced, upgraded, repaired, eventually upcycled, and they allow for safe disposal from the very first CAD drawings. This is engineering with the responsibility at its core.
ClearSpace delivers immediate operational value for customer by driving the long-term transformation of space infrastructure. We provide inspection and diagnosis for early issue detection, life extension and refueling to maximize satellite value, debris removal to keep orbits safe and compliant, and in the future, repair and recycling to enable a circular economy.
ClearSpace dramatically improves the return on investment of space missions, turning one-time assets into long-term platforms. Every intervention, upgrade and life extension multiplies value and ensures mission continuity.
Space is the same for everyone. The orbits don't change. What changes is how we prepare.
The more responsibly we operate in space today, the more possibilities we unlock for tomorrow.
At ClearSpace, we see preparation as a bridge between ambition and reality. By combining robotics, autonomy, and vision, we are shaping a future where satellites live longer, safer, and more valuable lives. Space is for all, and success is for those ready to embrace it.
My hope is that ClearSpace becomes a trusted global partner for sustainable space operations. The company that makes servicing, repairing, and recycling in orbit as natural as maintenance is on the ground. I see us not just cleaning space, but enabling a circular space economy that lowers costs, expands opportunity, and keeps space open for future innovations.
I believe we have an amazing future in front of us. We have incredible staff who have amazing skills. We've built capabilities to deliver a world-leading company that is a real pioneer in sustainable services in the space environment.
We're building more than technology. We're providing orbital roadside assistance for every space asset, ensuring longevity, adaptability, and mission success. Every step we take is guided by one belief: humanity's journey doesn't end here. Together, we'll create impact that resonates on Earth and echoes across the cosmos.